about a muscle and blood, a muscle and blood, and a skin and bones. You've got a mind that's weak and a back that's strong. You load a 16 tons, and what do you get? Another day